Hello everyone, welcome to AC Guide. In today's video, I'll explain the meanings of the mode symbols on your AC remote. By the end of this video, you'll understanding your AC remote completely. So, let's get started. There are 5 basic operation modes. By default, air conditioner runs on an auto mode, but you can switch the modes by pressing the mode button. The first symbol we'll talk about is the auto mode. The auto mode is typically shown with arrows forming a circle. In this mode, the AC automatically adjusts between cooling, heating, or fan settings based on the room's temperature. In this mode, AC automatically adjusts the compressor and fan speed in relation to the current room temperature. Once the desired temperature has been achieved, the compressor is turned off and the fan speed is also automatically adjusted by the AC. Next mode is the cooling mode. This is usually shown as a snowflake symbol. When you select this mode, the AC cools the room to the temperature you set. When the AC sensor notices that the set temperature is reached, it turns off the compressor and only the fan keeps working. This mode uses the most energy of your air conditioner. The lower you set the temperature, the longer the compressor will run. This mode is perfect for hot summer days. Another common one is the dry mode. It often shown as a water droplet. This mode helps reduce humidity in the room, making it feel more comfortable during humid weather. This mode removes the extra humidity in your room by cycling the compressor on and off for short periods of time. The next is the fan mode. Its symbol looks like a fan. In this mode, the AC's compressor turns off and only the fan runs. It's useful for simple air circulation. The main benefit of using the fan mode in ACs is that it saves energy because the compressor doesn't run. However, it doesn't provide cold air because it only moves or blows air around. Next is the heating mode. This mode looks like a sun symbol. In this mode, the air conditioner warms up your room. This mode is great for chilly winters if your AC supports heating. This feature is only available in two-way air conditioners. If your AC is for cooling only, then it will not have the heating mode. Apart from these basic operation modes, there are several other modes that depends on your AC brand and model. I will explain some of the common ones here. The swing mode is another useful feature shown as a fan with oscillation lines or a swing button. This mode moves the louvers up and down or side to side, ensuring the air is distributed evenly throughout the room. There is also an auto swing function which continuously varies the angle of your AC's flaps. This continuously blows the air in different directions. Next is eco mode. This is also called energy-saving mode. It might have a leaf symbol. This setting helps reduce electricity consumption while keeping the room comfortable. This is the mode we all love. Almost every modern air conditioner remote control has it now. It works by efficiently using your compressor and fan so that minimal energy is consumed to achieve the desired temperature. Next is turbo mode. This mode is represented by a turbo button. This mode is exactly opposite of eco mode. It quickly cools or heats the room by running at maximum power. This mode is also known as jet, powerful, fast, or high power mode. As you may guess, energy usage is very high in this setting, and it would be wise to use it only for a short period of time. This can be ideal when it is extremely hot or extremely cold, and once the temperature settles down, you can turn off turbo mode. Some remotes also have a sleep mode symbol, often shown as a crescent moon or a sleep button. This mode adjusts the temperature gradually for better comfort while you sleep. It's designed to match your body's natural cooling process and help you fall asleep faster. In this mode, the air conditioner uses smart sensors to monitor the room's conditions, ensuring the temperature changes are smooth and comfortable. It also saves electricity by reducing unnecessary cooling, and it extends the life of your air conditioner by reducing from regular use. Another helpful feature is quiet mode, usually shown as a quiet button on the AC remote. In this mode, the AC reduces noise by slowing down the fan speed. It is also called silent mode. If your air conditioner remote doesn't have a quiet mode button, you can lower the fan speed to its lowest setting to get a similar effect. Quiet mode is great for keeping the room comfortable after it has already cooled down. However, there is a small downside. The cooling is a bit slower, so it may take longer to reach your desired temperature. Next is health mode. Some air conditioners have this mode. It might have a home symbol or a health button on your AC remote. Health mode is a special feature in some air conditioners designed to improve indoor air quality. In this mode, AC tries to clean the air while it's cooling your room. It removes dust particles, germs, unpleasant odors, and other harmful things from the air to make it healthier for you to breathe. Let me recap this quickly. Auto mode, it is a default mode and it adjusts settings automatically. Cooling mode, it cools the room. Dry mode, it reduces humidity. Fan mode, it circulates the air. Heating mode, it warms the room. Eco mode, it saves energy while reducing electricity consumption. Health mode, it cleans the air of the room. Sleep mode, it gives you comfort while sleeping. Turbo mode, it quickly cools or heats the room. Quiet mode, it reduces noise by slowing down the fan speed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment below and subscribe to the channel for more air conditioner tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.